Hello students, welcome to the channel. At our school level we have studied about linear equation and quadratic equation. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि सबसे डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर मैथ्स में क्या था इन जूनियर कॉलेज, तो आप बोलेंगे डेरिवेटिव एंड इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, सो नो डाउट दीज टू चैप्टर्स आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट. One of the important part of derivative is differential equation. Okay, so today we are going to learn about differential equation in very simplest way. Each and every concept we will see in detail. Okay, so if you will get any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Okay, so let's begin with the differential equation. So first of all, what is differential equation? Okay, so first of all, what is equation? Equation is an expression having both LHS and RHS, and also it is having what equals to sign. Okay, so this expression is nothing but your equation. Okay, so there are many things that is greater than, less than. These are known as what? Inequality. Okay, so any expression involving equals to sign is nothing but your equation. So what is the meaning of differential equation? Differential equation is an equation which contains derivative of function. Means we are having an expression, okay, which is having what? Derivative term, right? Is known as what? Your differential equation. Okay, for examples, suppose we are having what? Dy by dx, this is the derivative of function, plus 4x square equals to 8. So this is one of the example of differential equation. It can be also like that, x square d2y by dx square plus cos x equals to what? 0. Okay, so these two are nothing but your differential equation, right? Because it is containing what? Derivative of functions. Okay, so this is what? This is your first order differential equation. This dy by dx is your differential function, and also here we are having d2y by dx square. So this is also what? Your derivative function. Okay, so any expression or any equation involving your derivative term will be what? Your differential equation. Okay, so hope it is clear what is differential equation and how it will look like. In differential equation, very first concept is order and degree of differential equation, right? So what is order of differential equation? The order of differential equation is what? Highest order of derivative appearing in the given equation. Okay, so one differential equation will be given to you, and you have to identify that which order of derivative is the highest order, and that will be your order of that differential equation. So those who don't know what is order of derivative, so see here. So suppose if I am writing what? Dy by dx, so this derivative is of order 1, right? Second, if I am writing what? d2y by dx square, so order of this differential equation is 2. Similarly, if I am writing d3y by dx cube, then order of this differential equation is what? 3. Okay, so hope it is clear what is the order of derivative. Now to find the order of differential equation, we have to consider what? Highest order of in that differential equation. So for example, suppose it is given 5x square d cube y by dx cube plus 7x dy by dx equals to 0. So students, this is what? Our differential equation. We need to find first the order of derivative. So order of this derivative is what? It is 1, right? And order of this derivative is what? 3. So what is order of differential equation? So order of differential equation is nothing but the highest order of derivative. Okay, so highest order of derivative is 3 here, right? So therefore order of derivative, okay, so order of given differential equation will be what? 3. Okay, so in this way we can identify the order of differential equation. Okay students, so second concept is what? Degree of differential equation. So what is degree of differential equation? It is nothing but the power of highest order derivative appearing in the equation. Okay, so for example, suppose it is given to you 4x d2y by dx square का power 6 plus dy by dx power 7 equals to 0. Okay, so if I'm asking you what is the degree of this differential equation, so we have to look for what? Highest order derivative. Okay, as we have seen how to identify the order of given differential equation, right? So here this differential equation is of order 1, right? Here this differential equation is of order 2. Okay, so what is the degree of this differential equation? So degree means what? We have to consider the highest order derivative and उसका power. Okay, so here degree क्या होगा? So here degree of this differential equation will be what? 6. Although we can see that this is first order derivative और इसका क्या है? इसका जो power है वो क्या है? ज़्यादा है than what? This second order derivative. But we have to consider what? We have to consider the highest order derivative and उसका power मुझे क्या करना है? Consider करना है, right? So hope it is clear what is order of derivative and what is the degree of differential equation. Always remember, जिसका order उसकी degree. ठीक है? So this is simplest way you can remember how to identify order and degree of given differential equation. Okay, now let's move towards examples. Okay students, here question is given to you. Find order and degree of following differential equation, right? So here differential equation is given to you and you have to find what is the order and what is the degree. Also always remember what I have suggested you, जिसका order उसकी degree, right? So here what is the order of this differential equation? So first we have to look for highest order derivative. So this is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative. Okay, so what is the highest order derivative? It is of second order. Okay, so order of this differential equation will be what? 2, right? And what is the degree of this differential equation? तो हम लोग ने क्या देखा है अभी? जिसका ऑर्डर उसकी डिग्री, राइट? तो ऑर्डर किसका बड़ा है? दिस इज द सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, राइट? और इसका पावर कितना है? अगर कुछ भी नहीं दिया है तो इसका पावर कितना होगा? 1, राइट? तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना है? 2 और इसकी डिग्री कितनी होगी? 1. ओके, नाउ सी second problem. Here this differential equation is given to you. In this what we have to find? We have to find the order. To find the order we have to look for order of derivative. So this is first order derivative, this is third order derivative, right? So what is the highest order derivative? तो order क्या है मेरा? Order will be 3. okay? और जिसका ऑर्डर उसकी डिग्री, मतलब ये थर्ड ऑर्डर है, इसकी डिग्री कितनी दी हुई है यहाँ पे? 2, राइट? तो इसकी डिग्री क्या होगी? 2. नाउ लुक हियर, थर्ड पार्ट, it is given that r dr theta plus cos theta equals to 1. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एक ही डेरिवेटिव टर्म है dr by d थीटा. तो ये कैसा है? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है, वी कैन क्लियरली सी. और यहाँ पे क्या है? इसका जो पावर दिया हुआ है वो कितना है? 1, राइट? तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना है? 1 और इसकी डिग्री भी कितनी होगी? 1. नाउ लुक एट फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल. इट इज गिवन d2y by dx स्क्वायर का पावर 2 and dy by dx का पावर 2 equals to e power x, right? So what will be the order of this differential equation? So see, this is the first order derivative, this is the second order derivative, then highest order क्या है? second order. तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना होगा? 2 और इसकी डिग्री, जिसका ऑर्डर उसकी डिग्री, ठीक है? तो इसका ऑर्डर कंसीडर किया तो इसकी डिग्री कितनी है? 2, राइट? तो इसकी डिग्री भी होगी 2. Now here it is given dy by dx plus 3xy upon dy by dx equals to cos x. Okay, so students always remember, if there is some fractional part is given to you, what is the meaning of fraction? मतलब मुझे p by q का फॉर्म दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? और you can see like 3 by 5, 4 by 5 in that way if expression is given to you. So first of all you have to simplify that expression. After that you have to tell them about order and degree. We have cross multiplied or multiplied both the side by what? dy by dx. So after multiplying both the side by dy by dx we will get this expression, right? Which is nothing but dy by dx का power 2 plus 3xy equals to cos x dy by dx, right? So in this expression, this is what? First order derivative. This is also a first order derivative having power 2. Okay, so here the highest order of derivative is what? 1. ठीक है, तो ऑर्डर कितना है? इसका 1 है और इसकी डिग्री कितनी है? जिसका ऑर्डर उसकी डिग्री, ठीक है? तो इस डिग्री विल बी व्हाट? 2, right? So its degree we are considering as 2. Okay, obviously see here power, we can say we are having power as 1, but we have to consider the highest thing always, right? So its order is 1 and its degree will be 2. Example number 6, it is given under root of something equals to some expression is given to you. Now students, always remember, whenever we are finding order and degree, okay, so order and degree are always whole number. ठीक है, दे आर ऑलवेज होल नंबर और अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. मतलब कैसे दिखेंगे वो लोग हमेशा 0 और 1 2 3 4 इन दैट वे आपको दिखेंगे. ठीक है, वो कभी भी क्या नहीं होते, ऐसे नहीं दिखेंगे लाइक 1/2 -1/2, ठीक है, 3/5, ठीक है, 6/5, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं दिखेंगे. इस तरीके का आपको एक्सप्रेशन नहीं दिखेगा. जब भी आप ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री को देखेंगे, ठीक है, तो वो हमेशा कैसे होंगे, होल नंबर के फॉर्म में होंगे, स्टार्टिंग विद 0 एंड सो ऑन, राइट. तो हमेशा आपको जो भी ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री मिलेगा वो हमेशा कैसा मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स मिलेंगे. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, राइट. सो हियर इट इज गिवन व्हाट, रूट. जब भी आपने स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ द साइड किया तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, ये एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज एज सुन एज वी आर स्क्वायरिंग हियर, ठीक है, अगर आप ये साइड स्क्वायर करोगे तो आपका स्क्वायर रूट हट जाएगा, और जब भी आप स्क्वायर ये साइड करोगे, ठीक है, RHS में, तभी यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, 2 आएगा, और ये 2 के साथ क्या होगा, कैंसिल होगा, एंड वी विल गेट व्हाट, 3 here. So now let's find the order and degree of this differential equation. Is d2y/dx square का पावर कितना है, 3, right? So highest order will be what? The order of this differential equation will be 2, and इसकी डिग्री क्या है, जिसका ऑर्डर उसकी डिग्री, so here degree will be 3. Okay student, so hope it is clear how to find order of given differential equation and the degree of given differential equation. Very important part of this chapter is what, first order and first degree differential equation. Okay, so that's why we have said about order and degree of differential equation. What could be the example of first order and first degree differential equation? So you can say that we are having very simplest form, that is 4x dy by dx plus phi equals to 0. Okay, so this is what one of the simplest expression we can see, and we are going to deal with such a simplest expression throughout the chapter. Okay, so what is the different types of first order and first degree differential equation? Okay, so very first type is what, variable separable form. Second form is what, it is homogeneous differential equation. Third form will be linear differential equation. Fourth is what, exact differential equation, and the last will be what, non-exact differential equation. Okay, so we will be dealing with always first order and first degree differential equation. Why first order, first degree? Because derivative term, okay, this is derivative term is of order 1, right, and its power is 1. So this is what, first order and first degree differential equation. So in upcoming videos we are going to learn about variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation, exact and non-exact. Okay students, so hope each and every concept is clear to you. If you are having any doubt, please let me know in the comment box, and thank you so much for watching the video.